So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get this WP Smush WordPress plugin in just $3 with lifetime update and license key enabled. So in this video I'm gonna purchase this plugin and I will install it in my website. So at first you have to click on this buy now. Now here you see this in this billing details you have to fill your basic details. Now I will go with the payment. Now you see this after the payment will be done, you will see this. Just download it. It will take some time. It's done. Now it's the time to activate it. Now click on this add new plugin. Upload plugin. Choose files. Click on this activate plugin. Now you see this, the plugin is successfully installed and activated. Now this will do all of your work, like you want to minimize the image or you want to remove the caches, it will do all of the things. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and be sure to subscribe. Thank you.